the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string. Now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. You told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. In the madness, wherever I may be, love is something you two make me believe. A basement in Brooklyn, the first day I met her, I could see it in your face. She was all that you need. I knew from the moment she was begging you to just sing. She'd be my sister, and she would be your everything. I looked up to you, brother.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys ay magmi-meal prep po tayo. Bale nakapag-prepare na kami ng mga ibang ingredients. So, ang next step na lang natin is magluluto na talaga. Yan, magmi-meal prep kami guys kasi nitong mga susunod na araw, from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, magwo-work na ako, and then Monday magwo-work naman si Max. So, para wala kaming problema sa pagkain namin, magre-reheat na lang kami, i-freeze ko na lang yung mga maluluto para, alam mo yun, iwas sa mga instant noodles, iwas sa mga delata na kakainin namin para yung may energy pag magjo-duty. May luluto na akong kaldereta. Ayan, para sa baon niya sa Monday. Ang recipe natin for today is kare-kare, munggo, kasi gusto daw ni Mac ng munggo. Very easy lang naman yung munggo. Yung chicken naman is gagawa ko ng chicken sisig. Tapos, meron din kaming papaya dyan, kaya gagawa ko ng sapsaporiket. Yung sapsaporiket namin guys is dapat grated na papaya, pero dahil tamad kami, food processor ko na lang siya. Ayan, nalagyan namin siya ng liver, chicken liver, tsaka chicken breast. So, yun lang yung lulutuin namin. Pero napakadami namin pa rin na-prepare ng mga ingredients. So, samahan nyo kami guys para sa meal prep, para ready for work na. So, ito guys yung aming ox stripe. Ayan, pinapalambot ko pa siya. Pinahinaan ko lang, ganyan. Ayan, lakasan na natin yung heat niya. Pinapalambot. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng bay leaves. Yan, nasa ilalim na yung iba para medyo mabawasan yung kanyang anggo. Ito naman yung chicken liver. Binoil ko na kasi wala kaming ibang mapaglutuan. Pero yung half nito, ipiprito ko para sa chicken sisig. Yung iba nito is ilalagay ko sa sapsaporiket. Tapos yung munggo, nagawa ko na siya guys. Kanina pa ko pa siya naluto. Pero igigisa pa yan, tsaka lalagyan ng gulay. Tapos ito yung chicken para sa sapsapuriket. And then this is the papaya na ilalagay namin sa food processor para ma-grind siya instead na i-grate. Mas maganda sana yung i-grate pero wala, yung daming trabaho. Tapos dahil wala kaming malagay na dahon sa aming munggo, tsaka kare-kare. Bumili na lang ako ng romaine. Ayan, masarap din siya, guys. Para din siyang pechay or something like that. So, romaine. And then, nagpabili ako ng frying pan na medyo malalim kay Mac. Sa Dollar Gen lang to, kaya hindi to yung kagandahan. Pero, kailangan kasi namin ng extra na gagamitin. Kailangan ko tong medyo malalim na frying pan para may extra kami na magamit. Yung ginger namin, guys, ay... Ito, na-slice ko na nung isang araw pa. Prepared na po ang ating ginger. Hindi na mag-slice.
Feels like forever, noticing everything. Like the hair on the wall, food on the outreach, faithful from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined, can't even count on myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world? Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine. All of 19, staying in quarantine. Blame the 19, staying in quarantine. When you were younger, you didn't see things quite the same as you do now. Now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed around. Never ever know where the all and right now that sounds like Ray's idea. But hey, let's not get down about being a clown or running away from town because you eat so well and you think
Ang galing mo mag-acting! Masarap yung totoo.
Sarap.
Sakto na yung lasa niya. Wala na akong idadagdag. Ano nga? Ito naman, wala man lang feedback.
Wait lang nga kasi.
Namnamin.
Walang salat.
Kulang sa alat. Ginisa mix. To fix. To fix the taste. Konting asin. Ganito ko para matansya ko kasi huwag ka maalala. Okay na yan.
I found somebody I see.
Ay, may buo pa.
And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. I take the way, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to learn.
So guys, malapit na akong matapos. Ongoing na yung kaldereta. Pero yung chicken sisig namin, yung for chicken sisig, bukas ko na lang lutuin para food na lang namin bukas. Kasi hindi na kaya ng energy ko. 6:51 na ng evening. Ayan. So, ito yung liver, yung fried liver, tsaka yung fried chicken. So, ayan na guys. Tapos na po tayong mag-meal prep. So, ito yung banda dito. Ito yung mga munggo, kare-kare. Ito yung sapsaporiket. Tapos, ito naman yung kaldereta. Beef kaldereta. Tapos, ito yung maliit. Babaunin to ni Mac sa Sunday. Monday pala. Kaya nakalagay na siya sa ganito. Tapos ito guys, para hindi siya masira, pwede naman fridge nyo muna, lagay nyo muna siya sa fridge. Pero I prefer na nilalagay na siya agad sa freezer kapag hindi pa naman namin balak siya nakainin. Para talagang ma-preserve siya, tapos magpapainit na lang yung gagawin namin if ever.
The feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you.
So, ito na sila guys. Ready na sila na ilagay sa freezer. Mas gusto ko pala yung ganito, yung square lang yung takeaway box kesa dito sa bilog na ganito. Kasi mas na-organize ko siya kapag square. Diyan sa loob ng freezer, tas mas konti yung space na kinukuha nila. Kasi hindi lang naman ito yung nilalagay namin sa freezer. Meron pa naman kaming mga mga frozen na mga meat and other stuff sa loob ng freezer. Mas okay sa akin yung ganito. Para, ayan, mas organized sila, mas madali rin kunin. Nga pala guys, kung minsan nag-label ako, meron akong mga naka-label dyan. Pero ito, hindi na kasi magigets lang din naman. Tsaka, mag-label pa ako. Dagdag trabaho na naman. Tsaka, maglagay naman ako ng sticker. Wag na. Ganyan na para hindi rin mahirap hugasan na magtanggal ng stickers. Kita naman kung anong laman nila. Tsaka, makikita din sa ilalim kung ano yung laman. Ay, babalik ka pa rin sa freezer. So, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Ayan, napagod na ako. Pahinga lang ako, tapos kain ng ice cream. Mamaya ulit yung dinner. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any recommendations sa mga pwede po naming lutuin na pwedeng baunin, please comment down below. Sa mga nandito po sa US, lalo na kasi iba yung resources, kaya naiiba yung recipe. Medyo malayo kami sa Asian store, or hindi kami masyadong bumibili ng mga food from Asian store kasi madali siyang nasisira yung mga gulay, kaya hindi kami masyadong nakakabili na madami. But anyway guys, thank you so much for always supporting my videos. And dahil dyan, proceed na po tayo sa shoutout. Bye! Hey everyone! Thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng vlog na ito. Mag-shoutout lang po muna tayo sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na my first New Year's Eve in the USA with MedTech friends again! Lahat ng holiday sila ang kasama ko! Ayan, shoutout kay Desiree Gay Gamutin, and then kay Jonaca Pablo Ikit, it's me, Cherry, Ronica Berto, and Ibrahim Hailil. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for commenting and for supporting my channel. And kung gusto nyo rin pong masali sa mga shoutout, mag-comment lang po kayo para po masali kayo sa mga shoutout. Kasi I love reading your comments guys. Kahit ano lang yung i-comment nyo dyan. Kahit simpleng comment lang, nothing fancy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
think it's sweet. She sometimes winks when she laughs.